Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove the display hinges from a Dell Inspiron 13 version 7380. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now peel away adhesive from wireless card. Then unscrew and remove wireless bracket. Now disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Next, disconnect display cables. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use a thin object to pry apart and remove hinge covers. Now pry apart screen from back cover. Now pry apart and remove hinge cap. Then unscrew and remove display hinges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.